What's up YouTube, this is Nimit from Webchronic, and today I'm going to show you how you can create free pros and cons table using i2 free plugin on Elementor Page Builder. Next on Through the Webchronic. Okay, now let's say you want to create a nice looking pros and cons table like this on your Elementor Page Builder page. This tutorial is going to help you with that. Pros and cons basically play a very crucial role when it comes to the affiliate blogs or comparison product blogs. It also enhances your SEO scores in getting good ranking on Google. Okay, now let me go to my website where I want to add the i2 plugin. So let me go to my website, which is websitechronic.com, and then we need to go to the dashboard. So let's click on dashboard, and the next step is to go to plugins, then add new. So let's click on that. And here you need to mention i2, let's say pros, and click enter. Okay, so there it is, i2 pros and cons. So let's click on install now, and it is being installed. Once it is installed, we need to click on activate. Okay, so now we see that the plugin is successfully installed and it is activated, as we can see over here as well. So once you click on it, it will take you to the setting page. We will leave it like that for now. So the next step is to set up the pros and cons table in our website blog. So let's go to the website. Okay, so we are on my website now. So let's click on edit with Elementor, because we want to add the pros and cons table using the Elementor Page Builder. Okay, so we are on my web page now. So let's say we want to discuss the SiteGround web hosting pros and cons. Just to take an example, let's add a new section here, and then we need to pick text editor from the widgets, pick it up and drop it over here, and then delete this section. Okay, so the next step requires a very basic coding which you just have to copy and paste in this notepad. I've already typed the code for you, which you just have to copy and paste and change the content. I will leave the link here in the tutorial section, and I will leave the link of this particular website in the description box below. You just have to click on it and copy and paste the stuff. So let me just show you how to do that. So let's copy this content and paste it over here in the editor section. And then you will see that automatically it will create the pros and cons table for you. Okay, so it says mention pros here and mention cons here. That's not what we want in our blog. So let's do some editing work. So let's go to the notepad and do some editing. So it says some code, and then it says mention pros here, then some code again, then it says mention cons here. So let's go ahead and select mention pros here first and hit delete. Now let's say that the first positive point is the excellent speed. So let's type excellent speed and then hit enter. Do not give any space, just hit enter. Now let's say that the second point is the customer support. So let's type customer support here and hit enter again. Now just an example, let's say that the third point is free HTTPS and hit enter again. Now let's say that the fourth point is that the plans are very flexible, and let's say that the last point is unlimited websites. This is just to give you the example. So these are the positive points. Now let's select mention cons here, just that, and hit delete. Now let's type the negative points here. This is just an example. SiteGround does not have any negative point. So just for an example, let's say this is the negative point of this hosting. Hit enter again. Now let's say that the second negative point is heavy, and let's say the third negative point is server too far. Well, that's it. So let's copy this stuff and go back to the editor, select this, delete this and paste what you have copied. Control V. And then let's see what happens now. Okay, so now you see it's so easy to change the content of i2 pros and cons table in Elementor Page Builder, and it's all for free. So let me show you one more thing you can do with your pros and cons table. Let's save this project first. Let's select this and hit update. And then let's go to the dashboard. Exit to dashboard. Okay, so click here. Okay, so this is our dashboard, and let's go to i2 pros and cons. So this is the setting area. So let's go to the website as well. So right click, open a new tab. So that's how it looks right now. So let's do some changes here. This is the default theme, as we can see here. Let's do some editing. Let's select underline and hit save changes, and then refresh this page. Now you see the theme of the content has changed. This also looks pretty good, but what I like is the spacer. I'm going to select that and save changes. Let me go back and hit refresh again. So that's how it looks. This is what I like. I'm using this theme in almost all my blogs, in my different websites as well. Pretty nice and clean layout. In case if you do not like it, you can go ahead and select all these options one by one and see which one goes best with your theme. You can even change the colors. Go to heading and you can change the colors of your heading, the style, everything you can change from here. So I'm going to keep it like this. So that's it. That's how it looks. So this is the end of the video. In this video, I've showed you how you can create pros and cons table using i2 on Elementor Page Builder. You can check the description box below to get the code of pros and cons table, but you need to install i2 plugin first, otherwise the code won't work. I hope you found what you were looking for through this video. Please hit like for this video. Consider subscribing the channel if you want to learn how to make awesome websites. This is Nimit from Web Chronic. You have a good day, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.